What's up yo? Si Marlon. And alam mo ba, ng Urban Deca Homes Ortigas is merong big land area. Technically, ang kabuuan ng property natin or land area nito is nasa 13 hectares. Yung open space nito is nasa 1.3 hectares yung pinakagitna. Kasi dati, ang target sana is 25 buildings. Since Green City yung Pasig, in-advise ng mismong government ng Pasig na yung pinakagitna is magkaroon ng recreation or amenities area. So, naging naging 1.3 yung mismong open space. Bukod pa rito sa kinatatayuan natin, this is a atrium. Open space din ito, kaya mapapansin mo rito malamig yung pasok ng hangin. Dahil nga, well designed, maganda yung ventilation, at maganda yung land area natin. So, yun lang. Paalam. Bye-bye.